Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I look absolutely nuts. I have this towel in my hair because I am going to do a review and demo on the very known, very well Dyson Supersonic Blow Dryer. So if you guys want to see my thoughts on this blow dryer, stay tuned. Okay, so for those of you who are not new to my channel, you know that I had done a previous how to blow dry your hair, and in that video I used the twin turbo 3200 blow dryer. This is my ride or die blow dryer. As a hairstylist, normally I go through blow dryers like crazy, but this blow dryer has lasted me years and years and years. I've been doing hair for 16 years. I've purchased 2 of these. This is my second one. So that's how long these blow dryers last. This blow dryer is not very heavy and it's very powerful with heat, and I love this blow dryer. So when I heard about this Dyson blow dryer, I had to get one. My aunt has a Dyson blow dryer and I've used it on her, but I've never got to use it on myself. So I went and picked up this bad boy. Now the price range for this thing is $399.99, so $400 for this blow dryer. According to the website here, this blow dryer claims to be lightweight, which it's not so bad in comparison to the other blow dryer. When I compare the weight, it is lighter than this one for sure. So it says it's lightweight, and it says it's built-in extreme heat protection for natural shine. So we'll see how that goes with that. It's faster drying. It dries your hair faster, and it helps control the styling of your hair because of these little heads that come with the blow dryer. And let's see, what else does it say it does? The nice thing about this is the motor of the blow dryer is not in the head, it's here. And then you can pop it here. If you see those 2 little marks here, you can pop it open and slide it out and clean out. This is the filter here. So that's pretty cool. So instead of the filter being in the back of the blow dryer, the filter is here on the handle. As you can see, there's 2 buttons up here. One is for the heat, one is for the airflow. Then here's to turn it on, turn it off, and this one is the cooling button on here. The neat part about this is the attachments. The attachments with this, they're magnetic, so it just stays right on there, which is really nice, because with my other blow dryer, it tends to sometimes pop off when I'm blow drying my hair or someone else's hair. So this is kind of cool that it's magnetic. We'll see. I'm still debating because it turns so easily. So I'm gonna see if that's gonna be an issue for me, because I hate when I'm blow drying my hair and the tip of it turns. So this is one of the attachments that it comes with. It also comes with this guard here that you put onto your desk so you can lay your blow dryer on there and it doesn't slip off. It came in this beautiful red casing here. As you can see, obviously red is my favorite color, so I had to pick up the red Dyson blow dryer. So this is really nice. This is to keep it stored, so when you're done using it, you just stick it in here, which is really nice. And it comes with 3 attachments. This is the first attachment with the nozzle. If you can tell, the nozzle here, it's it's more skinnier. It's not so wide, so it's kind of closed in more. And then here's the box that it also comes with. All the attachments are in here. It comes with this attachment here that's used for people with wavy hair, curly hair. Also, you can use it if you have straight hair and you just want more body. You just hold it up to your scalp and kind of move it around. So it comes with this one. And it comes with another head that is wider, so you can see the difference here between the two. This is a skinnier, this is wider, so this gives more controlled airflow than this one would. So I'm gonna go in with the skinnier one, because that's what I like. And it also came with a little cord here to hang the dryer wherever you do it, but I don't hang my dryer. I'll put it right back in the case. That way I know where it's at and it won't get damaged and it's protected. Because spending $400 on a blow dryer, you want to make sure that bad boy is put away properly and it doesn't get destroyed. So, my hair is freshly washed. I am going to do the exact same thing that I do with my other blow dryer and how I do my hair. I am going to do with this one, so it's going to be completely the same. I'm going to do my roots with my Kenra medium hold mousse, like always. Put a little bit on my hands, and I focus the mousse always on my roots because my hair tends to get oily very quickly. And when I put mousse on my hair or on my roots, it just helps the oils not to show as much as it normally does. It kind of it leaves it like a little, it gives it like a little guard, I say, because my hair gets so oily. So the alcohol in the mousse really helps with absorbing that, so my hair doesn't get oily as fast as it normally does. Now, my hair is semi-toweled dry. My hair is semi-toweled dry, and I have here two brushes. I have a wider brush and a smaller brush. I'm gonna start with my wider brush because my hair is really long. So I'll start with this brush, and as my layers get shorter and shorter, I'll move to the smaller brush. So let's see how this is. It's so odd to hold it because it really isn't heavy, but you can kind of feel the weight here. So it says it's quiet. Let's see how quiet this actually is. Okay, not so bad. It's so weird that this has a hole, you can go right through it. So let's see. That's on high. This is on the highest setting and the hottest setting. There's medium and there's low. It's pretty powerful, the airflow, even on low, it's pretty powerful. Hopefully as I'm talking, you guys can still hear me clearly, because with my other blow dryer, you can't. So the airflow is pretty powerful, even on the low feature, and it's really hot and it's on high, like heat-wise, it's on high. It's hard to see here because it's red already, but see, this is the heat feature here, so it's on high, and it's only on low, and then if you press it, that's as high as it goes. That's like super strong. I think I'm gonna use the low setting, but I'm gonna keep it nice and hot because I like my blow dryer to be hot. So I'm just gonna take it like this and just blow dry a little bit here. Try to get as much moisture out of your hair as you can. Even though it says that this blow dryer helps prevent any damage to your hair, I still say be on the precautious side. Let your hair air dry before you really dry it. Before you go in with any hot tool, let it air dry as much as you can, then blow dry it with your round brush or style it however you want. So this is pretty, now, this is pretty dry now. So let's shut this off. So it says here that the hair dries faster. So normally it takes me, oh, sorry, my nose is so itchy. Normally it takes me about 15 to 20 minutes from start to finish blow drying my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a timer on my phone, and I'm going to see how long it's going to take me from start to finish doing my hair. So let me prep my hair first. Let me get it sectioned how I normally section it. Okay. All right, so now my hair is ready. Put my attachment on my dryer, and let's start blow drying. But before I do that, let me put the timer on my phone. So as you can see, it's at 0 right now, and we're gonna start. So let's get going. Hair is blow dried. 13 minutes. 13 minutes and 6 seconds. That's how long it took me. So here are my final thoughts on this Dyson Supersonic blow dryer. Drying time, the same. Like I said before, anywhere from actually maybe 2 minutes less, give or take. So drying time, it's kind of the same. Shine. I feel like I get the same shine with my twin turbo dryer as well as much as I get it with the Dyson. So that didn't make a difference. I will say the power that comes out of this little blow dryer on the lowest setting is extremely powerful. A lot more powerful than my twin turbo blow dryer for sure. It took some getting used to holding the blow dryer compared to this one, but you know, then again, I've been using normal looking blow dryers practically all my life, and this one is a lot different to hold. So normally I would hold this blow dryer, I hold it like this, so I wrap my hand around like this, and this one I was trying to do the same, but it was like difficult for me to do it. I think it's just a matter of getting used to handling it because the weight is on the handle and not on the head, so that was a little different for me. I didn't have an issue with this turning and swiveling like I thought maybe I would have. Nothing crazy, nothing that I could say would deter me from buying it. I will say this though, $400 for this blow dryer is extremely overpriced. Okay, it doesn't make your hair look any different than my twin turbo blow dryer. So powerful, yes, much, you know, more powerful than this, yes. Heat wise, I kept the heat setting on high. It was hot, but I feel like this one was hotter. So it has its pros, it has its cons. I wouldn't spend $400 if I were you on this blow dryer. I don't think it's really worth it. I honestly, I don't. I think maybe if it was $150, I'd say, hey, why not? But not $400. I'm sorry, Dyson, but this is just not worth $400 as a blow dryer. It just really isn't. You know, I understand it's this new technology and it's supposed to be so much better for your hair and faster drying time, but honestly, no. Don't spend $400 on this blow dryer. If you want to, by all means, go right ahead, spend it. I don't think this is worth it. I just don't. Yeah, so if I helped you save $400, there you go. That's my final thought. It's a nice blow dryer. It semi does what it says it's gonna do, but I will stick to my twin turbo blow dryer. I still recommend this bad boy compared to the Dyson. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful for you if you were debating whether you wanted to buy this Dyson blow dryer or not. Anyway, the decision's always going to be yours. My recommendation, not worth the $400. It is what it is. So anyway, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to please like, subscribe, and share. And I see you guys next time. Bye.